India's 72% population resides in rural areas which are deprived of basic amenities like roads, power, communication, employment opportunity, etc. In the year 2002, the foundation of Shri Shri Rural Development Programs Trust SSRDP was laid with the sole vision to empower the economically challenged through best practices, environmentally sustainable technology and human values. Accordingly, Shri Shri Rural Development Trust SSRDP took the initiative to use the natural resource sunlight. Through the project Light a Home, dark homes were lit through solar panels which benefited the residents of remote terrains of Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Uttarakhand, Jammu and Kashmir, West Bengal, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Moving forward, to provide basic facilities for survival through a stable supply of solar electricity so that people will not have to live in darkness. The Art of Living, through its Border Village Development Program BVDP project, zeroed down on 8 villages of Kara-Dadi district of Arunachal Pradesh, which is one of the border districts sparsely populated with large land area. BVDP is a flagship program of Shri Shri Rural Development Program Trust in collaboration with Government of Arunachal Pradesh, APEDA, Arunachal Pradesh Energy Development Agency. The villages of Kara-Dadi district of Arunachal Pradesh are on the border between India and Tibet, China. These villages have been isolated due to geographic location, dense forest belt, hilly terrains, and innumerable constraints. SSRDP Trust took up this initiative for solar electrification through BVDP for Tali Kara-Dadi district, approved by APEDA on 22nd October 2019. This project involved the Director of APEDA and Secretary, Planning and Investment for the development of Arunachal Pradesh with the solar electrification of 8 villages in the Kara-Dadi district. After the commissioning of the solar electrification project in these 8 villages and Tali headquarters, the aim is to give a sustainable long-term solution. The first step taken in the program was to skill the local youths in building, maintaining and servicing solar electrification equipment. Local youths from the villages were trained under YLDP, Youth Leadership Training Program, a flagship program for uplifting the youths of rural India. Empowered youth leaders went through a training given by Shri Shri Kaushal Vikas Kendra in the field of electrical equipment maintenance, thereby making them rural managers and solar technicians.
3 लोगों के साथ में काम करके बहुत सीख लिया। जितना आपका सिस्टम लगा है, पैनल लगा है, बिजली को कनेक्ट करना, ये सब एमिटर को कनेक्ट करना, उन लोगों का साथ में बहुत सीखा है। ये बिजली खराब कुछ प्रॉब्लम होता है बोलने से हम लोग खुद मेंटेनेंस करेगा और ठीक करेगा। थैंक यू जय गुरुदेव।
परफेक्ट है। हम लोग जो ट्रेनिंग दिया है ना, वायरिंग अगरा बगरा बिजली को किसे कनेक्ट करना है, डीसी वायर एसी वायर को किसे करना है, हम लोग अभी मालूम हो गया। ट्रेनिंग लिया था अभी ठीक है। ये ताली एरिया का जितना सारा सोलर सिस्टम लगा है ना, उसको ही हम लोग संभालेगा।
In between, due to the pandemic, there was a situation where project work stopped. Later, the work resumed with the necessary permissions from the government. SSRDP team, along with the empowered youth leaders, took up the mission of completing the project. Transportation of materials was the biggest challenge for the team. Dry grass was used for the transportation of solar panels and batteries.
ताली में नेटवर्क नहीं था, तो मुझे घर पे और ऑफिस पे बात करने के लिए 70 किलोमीटर पैदल आके मुझे नेटवर्क मिला था।
A huge loss was also incurred during the material transportation from Palin to Kuan Bridge. The material was transported through iron wires and pulley across the Kumi River to deliver it safely to villages on other side of the river and Tali headquarters. A lot of risks were involved in this work as Tali Circle is not connected through roads and bridges. But the positive intention of selfless service of the SSRDP team, resources and materials reached the respective villages. The solar materials reached Tali villages after 3 stages of transportation. The first was from Chennai to Itanagar, the second from Itanagar to Dogha or Khua, and the third from Khua to respective villages. The solar materials were distributed to beneficiaries for installation, which benefited 800 individuals from 8 villages and Tali headquarters with government facilities. With darkness vanishing from their villages, people had smiles on their faces as their hope of living happier lives has become true for them. It is hoped that this initiative of providing solar electricity will become a rallying point for the youth of the region. It will enthuse many of them to stay back and energize economic activity in the region rather than leave their homes for greener pastures in other states. Facilities provided at the time of commissioning of the project were solar power packs for individual houses,
Sejak ngulukan apa jaring kapal dipukai. Sejak ngulukan solar jikun. Nam kam ngulukan tengkia jobu nam kapal tetap. Wada ala pubo sohon nuluga solar nubu alung sumkam nulugam.
Enjoy company. Ongol si TV sabi pura kado bapai duku. Ho solar ka are mamnya kuma. Ho are aru pura dola kado bapai do. Ho are pa.
Hote doka ho solar lagna solar na lagla kula hongku nga muluga pakayalan solar hempudo.
Street lights were installed at 8 villages, government school at Hapuk and Tali headquarter, police station, primary health care center, ADC office and government IB.
सोलर प्राचीलों को बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ। एडीसी ऑफिस में आके बहुत मेहनत किया, स्ट्रीट लाइट भी डाल दिया। बहुत बहुत थैंक्स।
My name is Nusukali. I am the superintendent of police of Karadari district. ताली जैसे जो एक रिमोट एरिया है, जो अब तक मतलब सचमुच का बिजली का काफी प्रॉब्लम्स था, जिनके कारण गांव वालों को सरकारी अफसरों को दिक्कतें सहना पड़ रहा था। बट देन ये जो SSRDP के थ्रू में वहाँ पे जो सोलर इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन जो किया है, सचमुच का काफी सराहना बात है। अब जो है कि ताली वासियों को जो है कि रात के अंधेरे में जो रहना पड़ता था, वो शायद उजाले में तब्दीली हो रहा है। I once again would like to express my sincere congratulations as well as appreciation to the SSRDP team, which is a part of RDP. Thank you so much.
2-3 साल से देखा है आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग जो बॉर्डर विलेज डेवलपमेंट का नाम से सोलर का जो हाउस टू हाउस जो उस विलेज को सिलेक्ट करके सोलर फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट में कनेक्शन कर दिया है। तो सब लोग खुशी है और आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग को धन्यवाद प्रकट देता हूँ।
SSRDP formed a self-help group, Arun Urja. The scope of this group involved the local youths in the operation and maintenance of the solar equipment installed. Training provided to these local youths has transformed them into solar technicians. Apart from solar electrification, SSRDP took the initiative for the families residing in the villages by involving them in development programs like Nav Chetna Shivir and Rural Happiness Program. The families have also imparted training for mushroom cultivation. SSRDP Trust, through its BVDP, will continue lighting up lives, lighting up hopes, and providing happier, meaningful, and sustainable lives to people of remote rural areas of India.